In the dynamic landscape of business, the role of an account manager stands as a pivotal link between a company and its clients. This multifaceted position requires a unique blend of interpersonal skills, strategic thinking, and a deep understanding of both the product or service being offered and the client's needs. As we delve into the intricacies of this profession, we will explore the various facets of an account manager's responsibilities, the key skills required, and the challenges they may encounter. At its core, the role of an account manager is centered around building and maintaining strong relationships with clients. These relationships are the lifeblood of any successful business, and an adept account manager plays a crucial role in nurturing them. This involves not only understanding the client's current needs but also anticipating future requirements and proactively addressing potential issues. Communication skills are paramount in this aspect, as the account manager must effectively convey the value of the products or services offered and ensure that client expectations align with the company's capabilities. One of the primary responsibilities of an account manager is to serve as the main point of contact between the client and the internal teams within the company. This demands a high level of organizational skills and the ability to manage various tasks simultaneously. From coordinating with the sales and marketing teams to collaborating with product development and customer support, the account manager acts as a liaison to ensure a seamless experience for the client. This collaborative approach enhances customer satisfaction and fosters long-term partnerships. Strategic thinking is a key attribute that sets exceptional account managers apart. They not only respond to client needs but also proactively identify opportunities for growth. By understanding the client's industry, market trends, and competitors, account managers can provide valuable insights and position their company as a trusted advisor. This strategic mindset involves constant learning and staying abreast of industry developments to offer innovative solutions that can contribute to the client's success. Another critical aspect of the account manager's role is financial management. They are often responsible for setting and managing budgets, negotiating contracts, and ensuring that the client's financial expectations align with the company's pricing structure. This requires a strong understanding of the financial implications of various decisions, and the ability to navigate negotiations to create mutually beneficial agreements. In the realm of account management, technology plays a significant role. Account managers often utilize customer relationship management (CRM) systems to track client interactions, manage sales pipelines, and analyze data to make informed decisions. Proficiency in these tools is essential for effective account management in today's digital age. Additionally, staying updated on emerging technologies and trends enables account managers to leverage innovative solutions that can enhance the client experience. The global nature of business in the modern era has expanded the responsibilities of account managers beyond national borders. Dealing with international clients requires cultural sensitivity, an understanding of diverse business practices, and the ability to navigate potential language barriers. The account manager must adapt their communication style and strategies to resonate with clients from different cultural backgrounds, fostering a global perspective that aligns with the company's objectives. Challenges are inherent in any profession, and account management is no exception. One common challenge is managing client expectations, especially when dealing with complex projects or tight deadlines. The account manager must effectively communicate what is feasible within the given constraints and ensure that the client has a realistic understanding of the deliverables. Balancing client demands with internal capabilities is an ongoing challenge that requires a delicate touch and strong problem-solving skills. Building resilience is crucial for an account manager, as setbacks and unforeseen challenges are inevitable. Whether it's a product issue, a change in leadership within the client's organization, or external factors affecting the market, the ability to adapt and find solutions is paramount. This resilience is bolstered by a positive mindset and a commitment to continuous improvement. Learning from setbacks and incorporating feedback into one's approach is essential for long-term success in the field. The landscape of account management is evolving, and the advent of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning is bringing about significant changes. While these technologies can automate certain tasks and enhance efficiency, they also raise questions about the future role of account managers. The human touch, empathy, and nuanced understanding that account managers bring to client relationships cannot be replicated by machines. Instead, technology should be seen as a tool that complements the account manager's capabilities, allowing them to focus on high-value tasks and strategic initiatives. In conclusion, the role of an account manager is a dynamic and multifaceted one that requires a diverse skill set. From building and maintaining client relationships to strategic thinking, financial management, and technological proficiency, account managers are integral to the success of a business. The challenges they face, whether in managing client expectations, navigating international landscapes, or adapting to technological advancements, contribute to the continuous evolution of this profession. As businesses continue to grow and globalize, the role of the account manager will remain indispensable in forging strong and enduring partnerships between companies and their clients.